we are moving towards the third part of alcohol. In this part, we will discuss about the other preparation process of alcohol, mainly by reduction. Very important process to prepare alcohol, mainly by reduction from aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, from ester, and related question. Let's start. Preparation by reduction. At first, I think we all know that what is the meaning of reduction. Reduction is nothing but releasement of oxygen or addition of hydrogen. That means in here we can see whatever the initial substance is there, either hydrogen is added or oxygen is removed, or both can be happen. So this process is going on. That's why the process, overall the process is known as reduction. Now starting from the aldehyde as well as ketone, I am taking both of these because more or less identical one. That means the preparation one. So I am from aldehyde, and another part I am writing ketone. Simultaneously you should study, it will be much more helpful for us. Let's see. Now aldehyde means what? Aldehyde means the functional group will be like CHO. This functional group must be there. Aldehyde means this functional group must be there, or the structure can be written like this way also. That means C double bond O is there, one part H is there, and other part is remaining part of that particular compound. Now in case of ketone means this group must be there. Then C double bond O. Okay, other two hands are occupied by carbon containing group. So this is aldehyde and ketone. Now the thing is that scenario is more or less same. C double bond O is there, C double bond is there. So same thing, but one thing you have to remember that in case of aldehyde, one hand is occupied by hydrogen, other hand is occupied by carbon containing group, but in case of ketone, hydrogen is missing here, both are occupied by carbon containing group. Okay, now moving to the next part, next step, that means reduction. That means reduction, whenever reduction is done, both of the cases we will get alcohol. Here is alcohol, here is alcohol. Now that what is the difference between them? Mind that here we will get 1 degree alcohol, here we will get 2 degree alcohol. So this is the difference, we have to remember that. Now reduction process, whenever reduction process, so from aldehyde we will get 1 degree alcohol, whereas we will get 2 degree alcohol. Now moving to the specific example, before moving, at first reduction can be done by reductant, obviously. That means reduction done by reductant, that means reductant should be used. Without reductant, how we can reduce? Okay, fine. So how some examples of reductants, lots of reductants are there. I am giving some examples one by one. It may be Na, ETOH. Now ETOH means ethanol, or we may write like C2H5OH. That means ethanol can be written like this way or that way also, no problem. So it is one of the reductant. Here one thing I have to mention, this reductant, whenever this reductant is used, whenever the product is formed, whatever, so this reduction having a special name. That name is Buffo-Blanck reduction. I am writing the name here. Name here. Buffo-Blanck reduction. So why I have mentioned it here? So only this question may be asked: what do you mean by Buffo-Blanck reduction? That is, whenever reduction is happened with the help of this sodium and ethanol, it is known as Buffo-Blanck reaction. It may be from here, it may be from here, as well as we can see in case of ester also it is happened. So that is also Buffo-Blanck reaction. Now it is one of the reductant. Then reductant can be lithium aluminum hydride. Lithium aluminum hydride can be another answer. along with H3O plus is required. H3O plus is required. H3O plus means acid medium, dilute acid. Now third key, what will happen? Nickel catalyst with hydrogen. In place of nickel, we may use platinum, palladium also. Now fourth one, NaBH4 in methanol or ethanol. Methanol or ethanol we may write, no problem. So it is another one. Now it may be ZnCH3COOH. That means zinc and acetic acid. CH3COOH means acetic acid. Zinc in acetic acid medium. It may be NaHgH2O. NaHg means it is the amalgam. That means it is sodium amalgam with water. So lots of reductant name I have given. Why I have given so much reductant name? Because question may be asked with respect to using any of these reductant. So if we are not familiar with the different reductant, we cannot find out the product. So these are the reductants are there. So now we are moving to the reaction part. Aldehyde, one part ketone. One in general reaction example I am giving here. Whenever aldehyde is taken, and here say R1 R2 I have taken and double bond O is there. So in both of the cases reduction has been done. Reduction means any of reductant you can use, any of reductant whatever I have mentioned. Reduction can be mentioned like this way also. So finally the product will be here OH obviously, and 2H group will be there. That means double bond O is converted as one OH and another H. So it is RCH2OH. So obviously it is very much clear. It is 1 degree alcohol. It is 1 degree alcohol. And a specific example I am giving here. Say CH3CHO is given. It is acetaldehyde, right? Or ethanol. Its name is ethanol or acetaldehyde, whatever. So whenever it is reduced, the product will be CH3CH2OH. I think now it's clear. Now come to this point. Whenever this reduction has been done, what will be the effect? The effect will be like this. OH will be prepared. Obviously OH will be prepared. Now other two hands is already occupied by two group R1 and R2, and one hand will be occupied by hydrogen. Now we can see that means addition of hydrogen is there. That's why it is called reduction. So any of reductant can be used and you can prepare. Now it is also clear that means it is two Chris carbon is attached with two carbon containing group. Obviously it is 2 degree alcohol. It's clear now. Now moving to a specific one. Say acetone you have used. Acetone formula. This is the acetone formula. CH3COCH3. Its name is acetone. Mind that the common name should be remembered, or the name should be remembered, because question may be asked in terms of name also. Question may be asked in terms of structure. That means structure can be given and the product is asked, or the name can be given and the product can be asked. So whatever the product will be like that. Initial whatever they are, keep it same, and what will happen here, another hydrogen will be attached. So this product has been formed. So this is the final product. So now it is clear. This carbon is attached with 2 carbon. It is 2 degree. It is 2 degree alcohol, where it is 1 degree alcohol. So I think it's clear now. Now moving to the next part. In case of ester, from ester. From ester, first of all, what is the common formula of ester? RCOO R dash. In short form, you can write like this: RCOO R dash. So RCOO R dash can be, it is known as ester. Now what will happen here? Same case, whenever it is given here, what will the effect? after the reduction, mind that here one alcohol will not be prepared, more than one, that means 2 alcohol has been will be prepared. How? Now mind that this bond will be broken up and it will prepare, left part will be prepared this one CH2OH, and right hand part, that means this part will be prepared R dash OH. That means this part preparing this one and this part preparing this one. So this is 2 parts, it will be dissociated into 2 parts and 2 product will be prepared. One example I am giving over here, CH3COOCH3, the name methyl ethanoate. So what will be the product after the reduction? I think in general formula it is clear, it will be broken up, it in this part, left part, right part. So left part it will prepare this one, right part it will be prepare this one. So I think it's clear. So this is one of the example I have given. Lots of such example you can easily find out, you can easily solve it. Now moving to the next one, that is from acid, carboxylic acid. Now here carboxylic acid means which group must be there, that means COOH must be there, or in this is the structure COOH. So in this case same thing, RCOOH is taken, say lithium aluminum hydride I have given, along with H3O plus 1 2, you may write 1 2 like that. What will happen? Actually it is stepwise reaction. At first after the reduction it will prepare this one, and finally, that means after the reduction it will prepare, first step it is aldehyde, and finally moving towards the alcohol. So this is the alcohol. So final product it will be alcohol. So as for example, we can take this one CH3COOH, that is ethanoic acid. Whenever reduced, it will prepare CH3CH2OH. I think it's clear. So these are the part that by this reduction process we can prepare alcohol. Now few questions I will give you. Few questions I am giving over here. Now look, these are the some questions I have given. I am reading it out. Propanone NaBH4 in ETOH. ETOH already I have discussed, that is CH2CH5OH, ethyl alcohol. That means this is the way. That means one reductant is used here and propanone is given. Mind that I have not given the structure. So from this structure already I have discussed earlier. Now that means compound name can be given and the product will be asked. So all the cases, what are the questions I have given, all the cases the product name is given, and from this you have to find out the structure, then you have to find out. So and you can also find it out, you can also notice that means different reagents I have given but action is same, all are reductant. Now here reductant is not given, only third bracket H is given, it means reduction is going on. So you need not to bother what is given here. So you only have to see what is the process is going on. It is reduction process, so final product alcohol you will get. Obviously into all cases it is the ketone propanone. Actually I have not given the structure, hope that you can find out the structure, you can write out the structure. So I am giving the one on this. Propanone means acetone, acetone already I have given, or acetone you can say. So propanone is acetone, already I have discussed in the class. Acetaldehyde already in case of aldehyde I have discussed. Acetaldehyde having another name, that is ethanol. It is or ethanol. It is methyl methanoate. Methyl methanoate means this will be the structure. Benzophenone, benzene structure will be there, and this is benzophenone. Benzoic acid, this is the benzoic acid. Benzaldehyde, this is not the answer, mind that. This is not the answer. This is the structure I have given here. You have to find out the answer. Okay, so without find out the structure you cannot find out the product. So that's why I've given benzaldehyde, it will be CHO here. Formic acid, it is HCOOH. Methyl 2-methyl propanol, also the you can propanol, that means CHO, CH3 will be there, CH3, it is H, so it is 2-methyl propanol. Yeah. 2-methyl propanol. Next it is methyl benzoate. Already we can find out leak this way, you can write this way. So I have given the initial product structure also. I think we can easily find out the product. Hope that